Hey there, welcome back. In today's lesson, I have got 5 brand new everyday English phrases, not from your textbook, but straight from real American conversations. We'll look at their natural pronunciation and how native speakers actually say them. Let's jump right in. Number one, are you kidding me? Natural pronunciation. You kidding me? Use it when you're surprised, annoyed, or can't believe something, my friends. For example, you lost my phone. You kidding me? Another homework assignment. You kidding me? You paid $50 for that. You kidding me? You forgot my birthday. You kidding me? You're quitting already. You kidding me? Number two, don't worry about it. Natural pronunciation, don't worry about it. It is used when someone says sorry or offers help, but you want to say it is okay. For example, thanks, but don't worry about it. It is fine, don't worry about it. Really, don't worry about it. I got it. No big deal, don't worry about it. Number three, can I help you? Natural pronunciation. Can I help ya? For example, can I help you find something? Can I help you carry that? Can I help you with your bag? Can I help you get started? Can I help you open it? Next one. What are you going to do? Natural pronunciation. What you gonna do? For example, what you gonna do about it? What you gonna do tonight? What you gonna do now? What you gonna do if he says no? What you gonna do next? Number five, are you coming? Natural pronunciation, you coming? Dear friends, this phrase is used when you're asking someone if they're joining you or going to the same place as you. For example, you coming or not? You coming with us? You coming to the party? You coming later? You coming, we are late. Okay, my friends, these 5 phrases are short, natural, and sound way more fluent than the formal versions. Try to practice saying them out loud again and again. Use them when chatting with your friends or watching TV shows. And now we have a practice page, filling the blanks. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. Lisa, I lost my phone again. Tom, are you kidding me? That is the third time this week. Lisa, I know, don't worry about it. I'll find it. Tom, can I help you look for it? Lisa, thanks, that'd be great. Tom, where did you last see it? Lisa, I think I left it at the cafe. Tom, what are you going to do now? Lisa, I'll go back and check. Tom, okay, are you coming now or later? Dear friends, if you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more real English. See you in the next video. Bye.